Maitri's Kitchen. So today we are going to do a sweet recipe which is nothing but called as milk bun, otherwise also called as pal bun. This bun is actually very famous in Dindigul and Madurai. It's a very yummy and delicious sweet that will be served in many tea shops and also in many homes. It's a very easy and simple recipe. So let us see how do we go about it. See friends, so today we are going to do Madurai special, which is pal bun. It's a very sweet and delicious snack. It's a quick and simple snack. For that we can do it either with all-purpose flour or wheat flour. I am going to do it in all-purpose flour for a change. So I have taken 1 cup of all-purpose flour. So in this I am gonna add. I have added 1 cup of all-purpose flour. I have powdered and kept 3 tablespoons of sugar. Just adding it into it. You can add 1 tablespoon of ghee. I am adding half a tablespoon of baking soda. Along with this, I am going to add half a cup of yogurt. So mix all this well. This all to be mixed in a watery consistency. It should be soggy. It should not be as thick as our chapati dough. It should be soggy. So mix it well and keep it aside for 15 minutes. See friends, so the dough should be mixed at this consistency. It should be very soggy and little watery. It should not be thick like our chapati dough. So this dough is ready. So keep this aside for 15 to 20 minutes. Then we will do the deep fry. See friends, now we have to do the sugar syrup before shallow frying the buns. So I have taken half cup of sugar. Little less than half cup I am adding the water. So let it melt for a while. After a few minutes we will add the cardamom along with the skin. See friends, so the sugar syrup is getting ready. Parallelly in the other side we are going to do the shallow fry of the buns. So you can see the consistency of the dough. It should be little watery. So now we are going to deep fry it one by one. Make it as small as possible so that when it is frying it may expand sometime. So be very careful. Keep the oil in the medium flame. So we will add one by one. The bun is roasted and looks so yummy. So I am taking it out. Keep it in medium flame and do it. So now we will keep it in a plate aside. Let the sugar syrup get cooled down. After that we need to coat it in the sugar syrup and take it out. Friends, the sugar syrup is getting boiled. I am adding just half a tablespoon of cardamom powder along with the skin. So it should not have any spring consistency as we usually do it for all the sweets. Nothing is required. Just a stickiness will do. So let it get boiled for some more time. We need to off the stove. So in the other side we are getting the buns ready. So as I told, the bun should be cooked well and keep it aside. Once it's getting cool we need to drop all the buns into the sugar syrup. Friends, so our pal bun is ready for the day. It's come out so very soft and crispy. You can see it. You can find it. It is so soft. You can feel the texture of it. It is very soft. So we have just soaked it for 10 minutes but still it's come out very soft. So now this pal bun we have to put it in the sugar syrup. We have to coat it just for 1 or 2 seconds and remove it and serve it. I am taking one by one and putting it in this. It has to be only for few seconds and we need to remove it. Add one by one. So now we are going to remove it from it. First coat the sugar syrup well. Then we will remove it. Just turn it around. If you not put it in the sugar syrup for a long time, it will become soggy. So just turn it around and take it outside. That's all. So our pal bun is ready. It's come out very well. You can see it here. You feel like eating it right away. So this is Madurai special. This one, the one which I've tried it. So it's broken. So I'm taking one by one and I'm going to serve it in this bowl. See friends, our pal bun is ready, which is nothing but milk bun, which is very special in Madurai So please try this recipe. It's of course a very simple recipe and easy to make. So try this. Watch my video, share my video, subscribe to my channel. We'll come up with another recipe, healthy recipe shortly. Happy cooking. Keep watching.